Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Renuka and today is the unboxing of April Flavor of the Month kit. And you can download these sheets that what the contain of the kit, and you can get one sketch sheet also if you want to follow the sketch or having idea some kind of to make your card. And these are the companies they are included this time, like the Stampabella, Lawn Fawn or Sunny Studio, Pink Mania, Scrapping for Less. So let's jump into kit and you can see all the details here. And this kit called Colors of Spring, so you can already see the spring colors all going there. So first of all, let's see what's in the what card stocks are available. It came in this pack, so they got not well, so you will get 2 pack of white 110 lb cardstock, so you can use that for the stamping and all. It's the Nina Solar cardstock. Then you will get a one gray color cardstock and one snow cone color cardstock, then the neutral color cardstock and the jelly bean green and pink and the purple one. So these are the cardstock of, so you can create 6, so you can create a 12 card bases from this cardstock. Now we'll jump into the collection. So let's see which collection is this. Each collection came in this kind of clear envelope. So this is the, I think, collection number 4, and it came in a 4 collection and it's called the Vintage Bliss. So you will get this pretty sequence here, one nice yellow polka dot, so lots of washi tape, then doodlework stickers, and it's kind of thinking of you, and they are so nice. You can color them with the alcohol markers. Then this is Stampendo stamp, house mouse stamps, and look at this mouse, he's so cute, he's drinking water from that flower. One envelope in each collection, and in this collection you will get the double-sided paper, and I believe this paper is from, let me see, yeah, it's okay, I think this is Simple Stories paper. Okay, and then we'll get another collection, and in this collection you're gonna get a Sunny Studio stamp. So let's see, there are some wood veneers here, and those are really nice. Small butterflies, some flowers, 4 butterflies and flowers. And then this is the collection 2. So okay, this is the spring plated collection, and you will get this spring greetings with this Sunny Studio stamp, and 2 mouse are there, and there are tulip flowers, some little couple of hearts. It's really nice and cute. Again, an envelope, and these are the plated papers, and it's a nice single-sided plated paper. This is from Lawn Fawn, I believe. Yeah, this is from Lawn Fawn. And then you will get the sticker sheet, so you can use this like a sentiment. Nice color. The stamp. So this is collection 2. And then I think this is collection 3, where the Stampabella stamp, again a clear envelope, one white envelope, and you're gonna get this MFDs pattern paper. Color may vary because pattern papers are just split into 2. Look at this nice selection of the colors. I really like the colors. This MFD paper have long time I want them. And then these are the foil polka dots. This gonna match with these pattern papers, nicely match, so you can create your pattern with those. One jute twine, and this is bundle of blossoms, and this is super cute sequence. And this is the Stampabella stamp. I'm not first of all much a fan of the rubber stamps, but when I starting using them, I really like the how details are they gonna get, and they stamp really nicely without misty also. So this is quite a beautiful girl kind of she's holding one flower on her head and she's wearing a kind of flower dress. So daffodil, so it's a nice one. Then the last collection from this kit, it's not the last one, so basically the first one, but I just grabbed whatever in my hand. So this is the collection, first collection. It's called the Spring Market. You're gonna get this nice sequence mix with this cute little 3 cloth pens, and then this double-sided paper, and this is from the Eco Park. Nice spring collection, and kind of banded rain boots and all, and that kind of matching with the stamp. They're having one rain boot, this is pink pinya stamp, and one frog in the flower, and then the super cute 4 doilies. Oh wow, nice color, spring color, quite a bright one. So this is all in the first level, but if you subscribe for the banana split, then you will get another pack, the 5th pack, and in that there are some goodies from special goodies from the banana split level. One Evrial celery watercolor ink. I don't have watercolor ink, so it's nice to try. Okay, one lollipop while you're working, and then you will get some. Oh wow, so this is the Lawn Fawn spring pink, and you can create the width with this. This is really nice, cute, and having some flowers and center of those flowers, or you can use that here. And then this stamp, and this is special stamp from Scrapping for Less company, and it's like, oh my god, it's so cute. They special design for it. They're having the nice sunflower, some happy spring. The bloom sentiment is really nice where you are planted. I really like. You can use this stamp with any spring cards. That's a nice thing. And then these are 2, I think these are watercolor sheets. Yeah, these are 2 watercolor sheets. Your design may be vary, but I got this one chevron pattern. I hope, actually there is too much light here, so, and then one says just a little note. So you can use and try this ink on this, or you can use whatever have you, distress ink or watercolor or something like that. So if you have the banana split, you will get all this one, and these 5 things, the 5 collection, actually it's a 5 collection kit, I can say that. So we're gonna make some cards with this, and before wrapping this unboxing video, I just want to say that I already work on my previous month's kit, but somehow the video editing and somehow it goes wrong, so I don't have that yet, but soon I will post that video too. Just bear with me, nowadays life is just crazy. So we're gonna make some cards with this kits, and soon I will post the ideas of card as well as the another videos. So if you like my channel, do subscribe to it. You can follow me on Facebook, Pinterest and Instagram, all my social media. And if you want to see the details that where you can purchase this kit and all the details, I will put all those links below the description box as well as blog, as well as in the my YouTube channel. So you can go there and click and you can purchase this. I think they have some of the products what last month kits also, so you can check out that also. And up till the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.